Yo guys, good morning. It's Salah Banks here. So I want to quickly give you guys a brief orientation for you guys that are ready to start trading FX here, the FX boys or FX girls, maybe both Forex and crypto here. The first thing we want to learn is we want to know about the basics. Yeah, basics is very important. The basics like the pips, leverage, and stuff like that. There are many of them. So after learning the basics, the next thing we want to do is go immediately to technical analysis. So they are together, like technical analysis. We have technical analysis and we have fundamental analysis. We want to study these two. Yeah, but we want to focus more, put more effort on technical analysis because that's what we use here. Basically, technical analysis. Under this technical analysis, you want to choose your own style of trading, which is the retail trading style or the institutional trading style. Yeah, and you can also call it strategy. The retail trading style is we that use things like trend line, support and resistance, and other stuff like that. You can understand support and resistance. You shall understand. Why for the institutional trading is also we that use liquidity, other blocks, premium, discounted. So you don't understand the hand. What am I looking at? Am I looking at the camera or the camera is looking at me? Okay, the next thing we want to study is after the technical analysis is risk management. Believe me, all these things that I've been saying since morning, immediately start trading, risk management is very important. So, and lastly, that is very important is we want to relax. Lastly, the one that is okay, I understand. I'll say lastly, like, okay, let's be serious. Okay, so the next thing here is you want to start demoing immediately. Like, you want to open a demo account and start demoing all these things you have practiced from the basics to the technical analysis to the risk management. You want to start putting it to work. You want to start putting it into practice on the account. Like what we call a demo account is just like you trading the real market, like a real market condition here. So where you get to see those lot size, that money, you place a trade, you open and close trades and stuff like that. That's what we call demo basically. And lastly, what you want to do is follow me. If you haven't followed me now, if you are still watching this video, if you haven't followed me, I want you to click that follow button right now. And if you are watching from YouTube, you should click that subscribe button. It's very important. You understand me? If you do not do any of these things that I mentioned, the follow, the like, and the subscribe or following, bro, your stop loss go choke. You're gonna hit a whole lot of stop loss. So it is very important to give what belongs to Caesar, or to seize what belongs to Caesar, to give what belongs to Caesar. You understand? So that being said, that'll be all for now. Catch you guys. Though I will make a more detailed video. Concerning all these things that I just said right now. I literally just came up with this idea just so I won't forget. That's why I recorded this one. So I'll make a more detailed video about all these necessary things you need. So and that's another reason you want to make sure you follow me on this particular page now and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that is where I'll be posting the full video here. So I'm very sure you don't want to miss out on things like this. That being said, peace be unto you.